I'm Nick and welcome to my shop. Valentine's Day is coming up and I have just the perfect project for it. Today I'm going to show you how to make a heart-shaped bowl using the lathe. I'm going to be using this piece of cherry that I have. Cherry is one of my favorite woods, so this is very fitting. Let's get started. So I have my piece of wood here. It's just a slab of cherry. That's what, 15 by 14. I do have a knot in here that might cause some issues later, and a little bit of checking maybe. But I'm not too concerned about that because I can fill that with CA glue, and these imperfections might need some epoxy, but hey, basically I have a piece of wood. To make a heart, the best thing to do is draw two circles that overlap a little bit, and then put a V at the bottom. So I'm going off the center line by 2 3/4. My radius here, my compass is set to 3 3/4. Here we go. So 2 circles down to a V. Hopefully that shows up on camera. But that is how you draw the perfect heart. Now, I need to get this cut out on the bandsaw. And now have the perfect heart. This is just fun to have. Anyway, I need to find center on this thing for where my bowl's gonna go. So I need to get it as center as possible so I get the biggest bowl in here possible. And for that, I have my cardboard circles. So now it's just figuring out what size works. And this too big, 8-inch. Bowl is what I'm going for. And there we go, my center. Now, I'm gonna put this between points to start. So I also need to do the other side. Okay, so a center point drawn. Don't know if that even shows up on camera. I have it on both sides. And it looks like I did not position it well because I have this branch in there. It'll be fine. I'm not going to be touching the sides on the lathe at all because I'm just making them round. I will dish this in. So I could take the sander and try to clean it up. Or I could do all the sanding on the lathe, which is very handy because the piece will be held on the lathe, so it'll give me that like third hand. I don't need to pull the piece while trying to sand it. What I am gonna do before I throw this on is fill this crack with some CA glue so it doesn't spread, so I can get that stabilized. It's probably something poetic here about having a crack in your heart. If CA glue could cure a broken heart, that'd be great. Got this thing on. First thing to do is get this side flat, get a tenon carved in. Cutting here, not cutting here or here. So just need to do a few more passes. Beautiful. Got my my caliper size to the tenon I want. And it's just a little bit smaller than that. Now the foot of the bowl, it's going to rest on the surface. I'm going to do about there, and I'll concave all this out. It's looking pretty good. This side here, I'm going to turn away a lot of it, but I don't know exactly how much I want to keep and get rid of, because the bowl on this side is going to dictate a lot of that. So I'm going to turn this bowl, and then while it's all mounted up, I'm going to turn this back side away and get it all even and beautiful looking. So let's get it flipped around so I can work on that side.
Video editor Nick here. I totally forgot to film shaping the bowl, but no worries. That piece of wood was ruined, so I had to do it again.
So this piece of wood has this branch inclusion in it, and I tried to stabilize it using CA glue, but it is just way too soft. As you can see, it dug out pretty easily with my picks. So basically this piece of wood is now decorated firewood. Yep, that sucks. But you know what? That was just a practice piece. So I'm gonna get another piece of wood and start all over again. Now I'm going to find center again. There's a good saying here, we do it twice, so it's twice as nice. So the goal is to get the bowl to look like this one, bowl in the center, and have the wings of the heart sloping down and out. So I'll quickly get that cut in here. I was being a little too aggressive and I knocked this corner off, but some tape and glue got it all back together. This is actually pretty hard to get correct. So I can't really see what's going on. I'm watching actually out here in the horizon, see what I'm cutting. But I just right now have it just wavy because I can't get a straight cut. This bottom's looking pretty good. Have it dished down this way. So this is kind of like a bowl shape here and a bowl inside. I have to say, doing it this way is very tricky. It's hard to get these cut evenly. It's a little wavy. But I got a lot of that taken out with the scraper. So I'm gonna sand this up and call it good. Same with this side. See a little bit of the waviness there from the tool marks, but it's ready for sanding. I really love how this bowl turned out. Really enjoy how the wings just slope down a little bit. And it's a decent sized bowl that's actually useful. Couldn't get it in the first try though. This piece of wood here had some issues. The branch inclusion was really nailing the coffin to make this firewood. But hey, that's just part of the process. Sometimes you just can't get it in the first try. Hopefully this inspires you to do a fun project in the shop for Valentine's Day. And if it does, hit the like button. It really helps out the channel and it doesn't cost you a thing. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy Valentine's Day.